If you're watching this video, chances are you, a loved one, or someone you know has been involved in a personal injury case. We are glad that you're watching this video. Let me take this opportunity to introduce you to everyone here at Garcia Karam.
When I came out of law school and after I clerked for a federal judge, I did defense work and I would defend corporations, but over time I realized that there was a lot of injustice and a lot of people were getting taken advantage of, and part of it was due to the actions of insurance companies. So it changed over time. What I thought I originally wanted to do was defending corporations, and because I saw a lot of injustice and a lot of people just kind of taken advantage of, that I decided I wanted to switch sides.
Part of my job is also making sure that we provide the best possible tools, whether it be through technology or just support, to make sure that we facilitate in getting that case pushed through the legal system as fast as possible so our clients can have their day in court.
As paralegals, as professionals, it is our job to make them feel comfortable, to tell them, you are not alone. We are here for you. We are your advocates. We are going to fight for you.
Our loyalties are to our clients and trying to make sure that we give them the best possible representation that they could have.
I tell all of my clients whenever they come in the door that your life is as bad as it's going to be. We're going to make it better from this point forward. We're going to get you the medical care that you need. We're going to get you the therapy that you need. We're going to get you the medical devices you need. If you need a wheelchair, if you need whatever it may be, we're going to give you the support. You know that someone's going to be on your side. And then we are going to aggressively pursue your legal claims against the responsible party and get you compensated, reimbursed for your medical costs, get you reimbursed for your lost wages, and get you money for the pain and suffering that you've suffered.
The kind of experience I like someone to have when they come and seek for us to be their lawyers is that I want to treat them and be able to be the kind of lawyer that I would want for myself. And so then I want to be able to address their problem and make it right as best we can.
They come in here confused, and my job is to resolve their problems in a way that they can go home and say, oh, Garcia Karam has it under control.
We can't, replace loved ones for our clients. We cannot, take back their injuries from them or, the time out of their life that was so tragic or terrible. But, if we can help them out along the way and in the end have a great outcome for them, then I think we just bring a little bit of light to the end of their tunnel.
That usually is the biggest challenge, is having a law firm that is going to be able to even out the playing field. Being able to have the resources to hire the experts just like they hire experts. Having the people and the resources to properly prepare the case and get it ready for trial. And that's what we offer here.
Several of our lawyers have worked both sides of the bench. They've worked plaintiffs, they've worked defense. So not only do we know what to do, then we need to make the case strong case, but we also might know those little pitfalls that the defense tries to use against cases, because some of our lawyers have been on that side and can think like a defense attorney.
If a case comes in, we'll roundtable it amongst the other lawyers, and as the case is progressing and we're working on it, we'll either bring in another lawyer or two other lawyers from our office. So you get the benefit of not just one lawyer, but you get the benefit of all the lawyers in our office.
The kind of people that we represent are typically people who are the laborers who make up the backbone of this community and country. And what they're up against is big money, big business, and big politics, if you will. And so they have a mountain to climb. And so when they come here to Garcia Karam, we tell them what they're up against, but we tell them that we've been up to the summit before, that we can take care of them.
We spend time with them. We explain to them what avenue they can take, what legal rights they have. And at the end of that interview, my experience is anyway, that they leave here with more direction, less fear, and knowing that they've got somebody that's going to take care of them from here on out.
A victory in a courtroom without a result for the client at the end of the day, to me, is an empty victory. I want more than my name in the newspaper for getting a large verdict. I want to make sure that my client has been taken care of. And so that's where the real victory and the real satisfaction comes from.
There is always hope for justice. As our clients walk in the door, we have to have that positive, upbeat attitude to lift our clients, to make them know you are not in this alone. There's always hope. Don't ever give up hope.